Isak right now is in prison, right? Like he is trying to get out, and Newcastle's jersey is also not helping. It's like prison jersey, and I hope.
क्या चेल्सी बोले 100 million pounds for Jackson.
Yes, yes.
इतना अच्छा प्लेयर है वो कि उन्होंने डेलाप भी खरीदा और पेड्रो भी खरीदा. इतना अच्छा प्लेयर है वो कि उसको थर्ड क्या भागा. अरे चीटर तो राहुल भी था.
Bergkamp.
Yes, Bergkamp.
Hello, listeners. Welcome to the first episode of this brand new podcast show, which our critics are calling the one season wonder. कि एक सीजन से ज्यादा नहीं चल पाएंगे ये लोग. So we decided to go along with that name. My name is Akash Sharma, aka the Football Pilgrim, and with me are two of the funniest human beings in India, comedians Rahul Subramanian and Anirban Das Gupta. Let's go to them. Rahul, I've assumed you haven't watched a single minute of the Club World Cup. So how was your break from football?
Oh, it was very refreshing. I was seething in glory of the Premier League victory that finally Liverpool managed in front of their fans. It was extraordinary. And I must say, the transfer window is something unfamiliar. It's not very familiar. But what's happening? I'm not used to Liverpool spending money like this. So it's a nice change. I'm very excited, well rested, and looking forward to the rest of the season. I hope the best team, Liverpool, wins because it's a very unbiased podcast that we have here.
Anirban, how have you been? I see you've been traveling abroad to make Indians abroad laugh.
Yes. I have been well. I also did not watch anything of the Club World Cup because I just watched the real deal, and I'm very excited. I was keeping a track of how Trent Alexander-Arnold is doing, but he didn't do well. So that was very nice, and it was a fantastic season. This summer is very unlike a Liverpool summer. My father, who is a Liverpool fan, he has been just complaining for the last like 5-6 years that buy players, buy players, buy players. I think finally his prayers have been heard by John Henry, and now that is actually, if Liverpool are buying players, then it's a big problem because then I have nothing to talk to with my dad. Okay, so hopefully next season Liverpool will be back to original Liverpool, and my relationship with my dad will become better.
Talking about Liverpool itself, they've dominated this silly season of summer transfers. The transfer market has been really, really odd, especially when it comes to strikers. Surprisingly, we've gone from wondering if there was a good striker on the market, is it worth taking a punt on anyone, to every big team now possessing or on the brink of possessing a striker. So let's start with Liverpool itself, since we all have interest in that. Do Liverpool really need Isak? Because Isak is the saga of the window right now.
I think it depends on whether we actually get Isak or not. If we get Isak, absolutely we needed him. If we did not get him, then I think we never actually needed him. Ekitike is there, and we have
Jadon dance.
we have these dances that then the young fellow, his name Salford City.
Rio and
No, Salford se jisko kharida tha. Young striker, very promising. He rejected Arsenal. I like these Twitter terms, X terms. Rejected Arsenal, rejected everyone, and he came to us. And you know what? Florian Wirtz can play multiple positions, so it's a very dynamic team. So it depends. So I'll wait till Isak whether he comes or not. Yeah.
Isak, I am fully engrossed in the saga. मैं वो Twitter पे जाके वो Isak का latest tweets ये सब देखता है, and it feels that Isak right now is in prison, right? Like he is trying to get out, and Newcastle's jersey is also not helping. It's like prison jersey, and I hope so. But it's pretty clear that relationship has been completely broken, and he's an unsettled striker.
The timeline of Isak Liverpool saga has been that Liverpool had shown interest in Isak. Then Isak refused to go, or he was injured. That's a conspiracy theory. Refused to go to the east side of the world with Newcastle for pre-season. He went instead to train with his fitness team at Real Sociedad without telling the club. It came as a surprise to Eddie Howe as well. Eventually, Liverpool bid 110 million. It was rejected by Arsenal. Then Isak put in an official transfer request, and He
He
claims,
did?
and according to sources, he claims that it was done very early in the window for Newcastle to find a backup striker for him.
वो सिर्फ
Now
backdated
he has
लिख के
come
दिया
back.
है.
Now he has
Yeah,
come back
Newcastle.
and is now training alone at Newcastle.
या मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता है न्यूकासल के लिए. ठीक है, they might have been very genuine when Isak must have talked to them early, like even before the season ended, कि हाँ यार हम ले लेंगे किसी को, तू चले जा, तू जिता दे कप. बट क्या हो रहा है ना, कोई आ नहीं रहा उनके पास. मेरा याद है कि हमारे इंजीनियरिंग प्रोजेक्ट ग्रुप में ना पहला सब्जन एवरीवन यूज्ड टू फाइंड दैट वन पर्सन हु नोस हाउ टू स्टडी लाइक इंटेलिजेंट, उसको ले लेते थे. ठीक है, ऐसा सब होने के बाद एंड में ऐसा 4 जन बचते थे जो चारों ही निकम्मे थे. ठीक है, एंड वी वर ट्राइंग टू फाइंड वन पर्सन हु कुड हेल्प द ग्रुप, एंड कोई नहीं आता था. हम लोग जा जाके पूछते, ये आना यार, मजा आएगा. बोला हाँ बताता हूँ मैं तेरे को, एक्चुअली मेरा ऑलरेडी ग्रुप हो गया. So I think Newcastle is that engineering group who no one wants to come to. बेचारे हो यार. So I'm saying, how are people going to United rejecting Newcastle?
That is
don't
a
get
big
it.
surprise. Yeah, United fans are like, of course, how is that a surprise? But Newcastle won a trophy. They finished like 12 places above them. Sesko, like, by the way,
Yeah.
we got to just say this, that there is a reason we are doing this podcast now, and I just want to throw it out there that we are going to do this podcast till the season United finish above Liverpool. Okay, that's a commitment.
Yeah.
We are going to do it. And somebody was messaging us on Instagram saying that, oh, 3 Liverpool fans are talking about United. Yes. What else?
Yes.
Who else talks about United?
I mean, United
But it's
is a
been-
gift that keeps giving, right? It keeps giving.
Yeah.
Like, I thought 7-0 would have been the high point of this decade.
Yeah.
But now 7-0 is not even in the top 5 of my favorite United moments. Oh my God.
मैं बता रहा हूँ, वो 7-0 का जो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस था वो एब्सोल्युटली बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस एवर है, क्योंकि मैं वो अजीम का लाइव स्क्रीनिंग में देखा था. पूरा यूनाइटेड फैंस, 140 यूनाइटेड फैंस, 5 लिवरपूल फैंस पैक्ड, एंड दैट टू मी watching with like United screening में 7-0 देखना is actually 14-0 for me. It was the absolute dream. But yes, so this is a deal that we continue this till United finish above us.
Okay.
Perfect.
So we are here for the long run.
Or
It's going to take a while. Or it's a one season wonder. Akash, you think we need Isak?
I think it's too good an opportunity to let go. I think
Yeah.
Liverpool are planning for the
Agreed.
future. I still think Eki TK was a panic move. I don't know if Liverpool needed that striker, or was it just a fear that he will go to Newcastle and Liverpool are going to miss out on all of them,
Both.
Seshko, Isak or Gyökeres, right?
3 घंटे पहले फैब्रिजियो रोमानो का एक अपडेट है. लिवरपूल मेंटेन their focus on Alexander Isak for the final weeks of the summer window. New proposal ready to be submitted if Newcastle open doors to the move. ये सेम चीज वापस बोलता रहता है. Isak maintains his position. He doesn't want to play or stay at Newcastle. उसको घर भी बेचना है वहां का. He wants to leave and join Liverpool Football Club.
Interestingly, they've been beaten to about, I think, 7-8 signings. Eki TK, Seshko, Trafford is a goalkeeper that came from Burnley. He has rejected them and gone to Man City. Mbuemo went to Manchester United and rejected Newcastle. Liam Delap rejected Newcastle and Manchester United, go to Chelsea. Hausen was taken by Madrid, the defender. Matthias Cunha they were interested in. He went to Manchester United. So I sort of feel for Newcastle. I really like that club for Eddie Howe.
उनका वेदर खराब है क्या? खाना अच्छा नहीं मिलता क्या वहां पर?
I think Newcastle is basically Winterfell, what Winterfell was in Game of Thrones. Up north, ऐसा नहीं है?
मैंने देखा नहीं है तो I wouldn't understand.
I think I'm guessing from like little knowledge it must be like where Winterfell was. So Game of Thrones में भी कोई जाता नहीं था उधर पर, क्योंकि उधर white walkers थे.
एक्चुअली उनका मैनेजर को भी नहीं पता ये क्यों हो रहा है. उसके लिए उसका नाम में ही हाउ है, उसको भी पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है. बट न्यूकासल के ऑप्शंस क्या है? आई थिंक न्यूकासल का ऑप्शंस अभी है, दे आर लुकिंग एट निकोलस जैक्सन इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. दैट्स वन ऑप्शन. ऑब्वियसली वीसा फ्रॉम ब्रेंटफोर्ड, उसको भी निकलना है. वो भी उधर बोला मैं प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेगा. ये लोग सब बच्चे लोग की तरह रोते. ऐसा कैसे होते रहे कि मैं खेलेगा नहीं बोल सकते, मैं नहीं आएगा तुम्हारे साथ.
उसका बनता है यार. वो कह रहा है कि मेरे सेट पीस कोच को हेड कोच बना दिया. पागल हो गया क्या? कल को सिखाना था ये करना, खेलना सिखाएगा.
ये अगेन मुझे मेरा स्कूल का याद आता है। स्कूल में मैथ्स टीचर छोड़ के चला गया, तो सडनली इंग्लिश टीचर को बोला अभी तू मैथ्स भी सीखा। इट्स जस्ट लाइक दैट। But I think Newcastle will get Visa and Newcastle will get Nicholas Jackson. And I think Jackson might do really well. क्योंकि है तो फिनिशिंग छोड़ के बाकी सब तो अच्छा ही है।
पर जैक्सन
Yeah.
की तो 100 मिलियन पाउंड्स है
कोई बात नहीं यार।
चेल्सी ने लगे।
या मेरे को तो लग रहा है जो भी जाएगा
चेल्सी क्या
Newcastle-
चेल्सी बोले 100 मिलियन पाउंड्स फॉर जैक्सन।
Yes. Yes.
इतना अच्छा प्लेयर है वो कि उन्होंने डेलाप भी खरीदा और पेद्रो भी खरीदा। इतना अच्छा प्लेयर है वो कि उसको थर्ड क्या भागा। कुछ भी बोलते हैं लोग, कुछ भी नंबर बोलते हैं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है। कुछ
आई थिंक अभी चेल्सी को अभी डोनाल्ड ट्रंप वाला टैरिफ लगना चाहिए। उन लोग कंट्री
हाँ।
जैसा ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं क्लब जैसा नहीं।
चेल्सी फुटबॉल क्लब का पॉपुलेशन कैन नॉट बी मोर देन चेल्सी द प्लेस। 400
Yeah.
लोग लिया है यार, 400 प्लेयर्स है।
बोल रहा है कि उन लोग ना कुछ 200 सीजन टिकट्स कम किया है क्योंकि बोले प्लेयर्स को बैठने के लिए जगह चाहिए।
चेल्सी फुल इन्फोसिस की तरह है, उनका बेंच में ही है सब कुछ। पूरा टीम बेंच पे बैठा है, सब रुका है। कहीं तो ऑन साइड लोन में मिलेगा, फिर पता नहीं एक दिन आता TCS, चेल्सी आता बोलता चलो सब बाहर निकलो, तुम लोग अभी ऑफ, you're laid off. Too funny.
So very interesting fact, a crazy fact that I saw on Twitter. ये अभी चेल्सी ना हैटो साइन किया है, which is their 49th signing in the last 4 years. Liverpool's 49th earlier signing, like 49 signings ago, was Peter Crouch in 2005.
Hilarious.
इतना
Hilarious.
ज्यादा difference between how Chelsea operate
Wow.
versus how Liverpool operates or how any other club operates, except Manchester City maybe. It is a crazy difference.
Chelsea has got more signatures than Save the Tiger campaign. मजाक क्या है? आना खेलता आ जा रहे तो नहीं बोला पुराने जमाने में क्या होता है ऐसे लाइक 100 साल पहले तक ऐसा होता था। बहुत सारे लोग बहुत बच्चा पैदा करते थे एंड देयर इज टू बी थिंक इतना बच्चा कि बाप को कभी पता नहीं चलता था ये किसका बच्चा है, ये मेरा है। आई थिंक चेल्सी में ऐसे ही मैनेजर बोले ये कौन है सर, हम लोग ने खरीदा है सर, इसको अपना ही है ये। अच्छा अपना है, ठीक है अच्छा अंदर ठीक है। इनटू द स्टेडियम ऐसे एंड दे विल बिलीव यू सर, यू बॉट मी फ्रॉम FC कोपेनहेगन, ओके मे बी कम यू प्ले विद अस।
आई थिंक चेल्सी का ट्रेनिंग ग्राउंड में घुसने के पहले उनको पासपोर्ट स्कैन कराना पड़ता है,
सिक्योरिटी चेक इन सब हो रहा है सब
रोज कराना पड़ता है जस्ट टू कीप अ ट्रैक।
ओनली फर्स्ट 40 प्लेयर्स आर अलाउड, ओके जो भी फर्स्ट 40 में उनको ही अंदर छोड़ दे, बाकी लोगों को बोलते हैं अभी कर लो।
ब्यूटीफुल, माय गॉड
ब्यूटीफुल या
मेरे को लग रहा है कि न्यूकासल में जो भी आएगा बहुत अच्छा प्लेयर होगा, बहुत अच्छा खेलेगा। प्लीज कोई आ जाओ।
मुझे लगा डार्विन नूनेस को they could have bought. Nunez
Yes,
को they could have bought.
Yes, he plays very well in St. James's Park.
Yeah, he does.
They've seen him in flesh.
Yeah.
बुरा लगा मेरे को, नूनेस गया, बुरा लगा। इवन लास्ट गेम में देख ना क्या ऐसे बैच को ऐसा किया उसको, and the whole crowd going Nunez. It's such a unexplainable signing in terms of like he did not succeed. He missed so many chances, but had still like uska spirit used to come out in every game, and crowd wanted him gone, but they loved him too. It's a very I can't explain.
Yeah.
But is Nunez a flop?
See, he won the title.
A simple question: is Nunez a flop signing or not?
I think
सब चीज डिस्कस करने की जरूरत नहीं है मेरे हिसाब से। There are some topics which we don't have to discuss.
I would say Houseful 5A was a flop. Nunez was all right.
I agree.
I think Nunez.
I think
Akash,
if you
Akash
remember
has no
a time,
idea what Houseful 5A is. Akash, do you know what
Houseful 5A must be a movie?
Yeah.
But it is a movie.
It's a movie which it was absolutely empty. Okay, it's like the opposite of the name. Like entering the cinema hall, you didn't know कि कौन सा cinema अंदर कौन सा screen में, तो हाउसफुल कहाँ चल रहा है, वहाँ चल रहा है लेकिन हाउसफुल नहीं है। It's been like a confusion. Classic British humor.
But I feel Nunez का he's not a flop signing. If you remember a time, एक time तो था कि only Nunez was creating anything on the pitch. I think this was in Klopp's last season. If Nunez was not on the pitch, there was nothing being done by Liverpool.
Yeah.
So it was a crazy, and he's given us such great moments like Newcastle at St. James Park. Remember his back heel flick against Real Madrid. Then his injury time winner against Brentford. Then his chip at Brentford as well, where he could have easily passed to Jota. but
Jota,
he
yeah.
decided to chip to like it's and he scored a screamer
That
against Bournemouth.
That
Crossbar
Real
hit,
Madrid game.
sorry, he hit the woodwork about 4 or 5 times against Chelsea. Yeah, fun player था यार, fun player था. He just doesn't have a head on him. And 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 Jota का loss ना, the late Jota का loss यही था कि he used to make up कि Jota में इतना दिमाग था और that there was a great combination if they played together.
yeah,
Yeah.
They
yeah,
genuinely linked up really well.
they did really well. Yeah, Nunes, I also think wasn't a flop because it was a great. Firstly, he won the title, like part of a title-winning team, less part, but it's okay. Like this whole team was very nice playing together, and yeah, but the thing is, we sold him at half the price. ऐसा I think ऐसा कुछ है ना जितना हम लोग को मिला था.
2/3. Hmm.
2/3. Then it's okay. 2/3 after 3 years. I
नहीं
remember.
80 million and 46 में कुछ गया है ना, more than like approximately half if I'm
Okay.
80
I think
85 million.
add-ons और currency का फरक है. Add-ons और
एड ऑन तो कुछ नहीं दिया रहेगा उसको, एड ऑन क्या दिया रहेगा उसको, कुछ एड ऑन नहीं दिया रहेगा उसको, सब्ट्रैक्ट ऑफ दिया रहेगा बेचारा. नहीं, बट आई लव नूनेज, बट आई हैव टू बी ऑनेस्ट, ही वाज अ फ्लॉप यार. आई मीन
Yeah.
I would he was a flop because yeah, he came in for such huge money and he came into a team which was such a is playing so well. ठीक है, so he had great opportunities and amount of opportunities he had. I don't know how he managed to always hit the woodwork. कैसे पता नहीं, that itself is incredible talent. Okay, you can't just do it, right? ठीक है, but yeah, and 3 years, man, 3 years, like every year he used to give that hope कि like यार ये साल कुछ करेगा.
He has
उसके
done.
बहुत सारे, there is a YouTube compilation of just Salah doing this. It's just like it's just this, just like yeah.
I think
And
he has done what many defenders couldn't do, which is take assists off Salah. Nunes has actually pushed Salah to be the next level. So in that sense, he has played a part in the development
yeah.
of Salah.
I think we will miss Nunes like he missed so many opportunities. But yeah, farewell to Nunes. May you do well in Saudi and for Uruguay. I'll be rooting for you. But yeah, it's time.
Yeah.
It's time for some. It's
Yeah,
time for
yeah.
some actual strikers. Bye, Nunes.
Yes. Bye Nunes. We should say this outside frame. फ्रेम के बाहर जाके हमको ये बोलना चाहिए. Bye.
Just
Bye,
on
Nunes.
that. Okay, let's do a favorite Nunes moment. Chalo, let's do a
Yes.
favorite Nunes moment as a tribute. Okay, I'll start first.
Start.
My favorite Nunes moment is when Nunes was not playing. Okay, and this is after we won the Carabao, like after Van Dijk scored
Yeah.
against
Yeah.
Chelsea. Oh my God, he injured Nunes. He ran like he was like, oh yeah, वो railing jump करके he ran onto the pitch. He shoved Salah aside. One more, like one more assist. He just like ignored. Once more, he ignored Salah. He ran. I think that was so beautiful just to watch that. Yeah, I think that is my favorite Nunes moment. And they have the music also, no? पीछे वो reel जब होता है, and then he just runs. Too good. That is, yeah.
My current favorite Nunes moment is when Al Hilal's bid was accepted. But other than that, I think beating Newcastle 2-1 with one man down. My goodness, what a game! Full power that match.
Full power.
Funny. My Nunes moment will be from the last season. That Brentford के against 2 goal जो end में मारे उसने, जब everything felt, like we've lost the league. वो हर match में ये लग रहा है, हर match पे draw हो रहा है. And there was a series of tough fixtures coming up. और उसने मारा और जो उसने jersey उठा के फेंका और we ran towards the corner flag. Oof, what a moment. Crazy moment. That was my favorite.
उसके बाद almost red card भी ले लिया था वो.
Red card भी ले लेता. He made a tackle against a defender, right? In the Liverpool attacking box. Crazy. That defied Nunes. और मुझे तो डर था एक और गोल मार के वो फिर से जर्सी उतार के रेड कार्ड लेगा. That's what we expect from Nunes.
नहीं, what I expect from Nunes is गोल मारे बिना ही वो जर्सी निकाल सकता है वो.
फिर्मिनो का वो एक दो वो है कि वो गोल मारा है, चिप किया है, बॉल अभी तक गया नहीं है, बट वो अभी टॉपलेस हो गया है.
I watched that live. That was at Crystal Palace. उसने डिंक किया over the keeper. तो वो मैं स्टेडियम में था और उसने जर्सी उतार ली even before the ball had reached the net. That was crazy. That was so much fun. But let's move on to other clubs now. Let's talk about Manchester United. Benjamin Sesko might be coming to United. It's almost,
Yeah.
I'd say at the time of recording, it's a 90-95% probability that he's going to come here. And there's a 90-95% probability that Hoyland is going to go to AC Milan. At least the Milan representatives are
it?
here. Yes, they are in Manchester to talk about Hoyland. So that's interesting. So United have already signed Mbuemo and Cunha, and they've let Rashford go to Barcelona, and now they have Šeško coming in. That's an interesting strike force. That's a completely different strike force. Of course,
So
Xerxes
just
hai,
one striker.
and
Oh, Xerxes. Okay.
Xerxes है and उनका एक और वो है academy striker. I forgot his name. Let me look him up. But
Best-
United का love affair with Bruno Fernandes is something that I absolutely love. I'm telling you, वो
Yeah.
ऐसा होता है. Bruno Fernandes would be going, they love me not, they love me not, every single week of the season. I remember before United came to Anfield this season, and they put in a really good performance. They should have won actually, but 2-2 draw निकल गया लिवरपूल का. उससे पहले जो United supporters are on turning their backs on Bruno Fernandes, that till Bruno Fernandes is our captain, this club will never go forward, and this and that, and they're
Why?
so disappointed that they're so
Because
disappointed
didn't he get the
that 100
fifth
million
yellow card? Didn't he get the fifth yellow card
that
and God,
wasn't-
he was not available for the Liverpool game?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. Not for this one, not for this
नहीं?
season. He was available.
तो उन लोग का वो ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस इज लाइक जेरार्ड, वो अकेला ही खेलता है.
I agree, he's the most talented player in Man United, but his attitude on the
I know.
pitch
I think he is world
sometimes gets
class.
the best
He's
of
a
him.
world class player. Even for when he plays for Portugal, he actually almost always does really well. He's a world class player. Anywhere else, he would have actually won stuff. होता है तो ठीक
No,
है.
but
कौन नहीं रोता?
that's true. But Suarez referee की तरफ रोता था, players की तरफ नहीं रोता था. ये ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस बहुत ज्यादा अपने players की तरफ भी रोता है, थोड़ा from a positive attitude to a sort of a mourning
CR7 नहीं
attitude.
रोते थे क्या? रेस्पेक्ट के साथ बोल रहा हूँ. CR7 नहीं रोते थे क्या? जब कोई और आके गोल मारता तो डिसअपॉइंट नहीं होते थे वो? वे भी तो क्या है, इतना थोड़ा बहुत चलता है यार. प्लेयर तो है ना, प्लेयर है यार. सॉरी, मैं एक पर्सनल स्टोरी बोलता हूँ. आकर्ष हमारे कॉलेज का फुटबॉल टीम में था, ठीक है. आकर्ष बहुत अच्छा खेलता था, ठीक है. बट उसके अराउंड हम लोग सब यूनाइटेड का टीम था, तो आकर्ष भी रोता था. क्या?
ओके.
We were all like United, like Akash playing in like very good player playing in an average team. Irritate होता था वो कि पास नहीं देते हो तुम लोग थक जाते हो, भागते नहीं हो. तो ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस भी वैसे ही है बेचारा, वो क्या करेगा?
मतलब ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस का फ्यूचर भी मतलब पॉडकास्टिंग में ही है.
वो तो डेफिनेटली है. सभी पॉडकास्टिंग कर रहे हैं आजकल. बट उसको 100 million pounds की बिड आई थी सऊदी अरेबिया से, and United fans were gutted. They really wanted that money. That money.
That's horrible.
And it was Bruno's decision not to go. United was happy to let him go.
Wow.
तो अब गालियां पड़ेगी इस season. Bruno's family didn't want to go. Right. But anyway, let's move to Arsenal, for example. Right. Have they completed the missing piece of the puzzle? Victor Gyökeres is 27 years old. He's a proven talent. Even Zubimendi has come in the midfield to replace Partey. Where do you think Arsenal are going to be, guys?
Top of the London League.
Arsenal will be there, yeah. Will be around the title. Yeah. They will be. Gyökeres आ गया. Gyökeres, however you say his name. ठीक है. I think, they needed a striker. They got a striker. Jesus, for how much of a talent he had, he was mostly was injured. So I think it's going to make. And Zubimendi is a good signing. He's a very good signing. I think he's an upgrade over Partey. Although like fanatics will be like Partey ने क्या क्या किया है, actually, which goes for more than football. But yeah. But having said that, I think Zubimendi great signing. Gyökeres great signing, and if they are still looking for, I think क्या बोलते हैं, Martinelli के जगह में एक और player, if they get someone, then
Martinelli जा रहे हैं?
It's not easy. नहीं, उसके साथ एक और, उसके पीछे भाग, मतलब it's like competing for that.
Okay. I think Arsenal.
The Diaz to their Gakpo.
Okay. I think Arsenal has a really good team. And honestly, if Liverpool are not winning, then I don't mind if Arsenal win because I know
Oh
उनका
no.
मतलब
Oh no,
I
no, no,
know
no. Man City
you
or
you
Chelsea. I don't care.
what are you
No,
saying,
not
Man City?
I don't
How
care.
can Man
I don't
City?
care. Not Arsenal.
Bro,
Arsenal fans are
Arsenal से
so
क्या
annoying
problem है?
online. They're
But
so annoying. They're so annoying.
but you know there is just this filter in your head which can make your whole life Arsenal fan proof. It doesn't matter
अनिर्बान
what they are saying.
अनिर्बान मैं बहुत ज्यादा एक्स में टाइम स्पेंड किया और बहुत इरिटेटिंग है. मैं कि तो
अरे
बोल ही
क्या
नहीं
ही कर
सकता
लेगा
हूँ.
उन लोग
मैं तेरे को क्या.
वो क्या ही कर ले
हाँ. अरे without
क्या
winning
कर
anything they talk as if they talk as if like they're the best team in the world types. Like every fan is very delusional. There are some people who are nice because I want people to come to my shows also, but a lot of them are like my stand-up comedy fans also. No, I think Arsenal fans, especially on X, are bad. But India में जो भी Arsenal fans है ना, they're top class. They are all like I respect them. So I
dude
want them
I
to
तो
come. So I don't wish them to win. But I wish them a close second.
dude I can't stand Manchester City winning against it's
चलेगा.
better Arsenal कैसे चलेगा Man
न्यूकासल को
City हम
जीतने
लोग
दो,
का
Same.
चेल्सी को
हाँ
जीतने दो. नहीं मैं बोल
लेकिन
रहा हूँ
सेकंड
न्यूकासल
हाँ
चेल्सी.
नहीं तो लेकिन सिटी कैसे बोल रहा है तू एज अ लिवरपूल फैन जो हम लोग का मेन राइवल्स है
मेरा
कि
मेरा
सिटी
फंडा
जीतेगा
क्या बता. सिटी मैं बता रहा हूँ क्यों है. because City financial doping 115 charges and they have won
हाँ
like so many leagues. ठीक है. So
हाँ
there
हाँ
is a moral victory that Liverpool has even though we finished second scoring 97 and 91 91 92. There is a moral victory for Liverpool. ठीक है. तो मैन सिटी वापस जीतेगा तो इट विल ऑल्सो बी लाइक अरे लेकिन ये लोग तो साले पैसे ये तो चीटिंग करके जीते हैं. आई एम ओके विद दैट बिकॉज वील हैव मॉरल विक्ट्री. आर्सेनल जीता ना मतलब दे
नो
डिजर्व
रे
टू विन. आई डोंट वांट दैट.
डोंट वरी
ऑल्सो मैं एक
ट्रस्ट
सच
मी
बात बता रहा हूँ. मेरे को एक लड़का पसंद नहीं था कॉलेज में और वो आर्सेनल फैन था और वो टैकल
ओह
मारता था और वो मुझे पसंद है आर्सेनल. मुझे नहीं पसंद है आर्सेनल.
ओके
ये
ओके
असली रीजन. इट इज ऑल ओनली योर ब्रदर वाली राइवलरी नहीं होती कि तुम्हारे आसपास जो
हाँ
जितने फैंस है ना
हाँ
तुम उसके
हाँ
अगेंस्ट हो. व्हाई आर वी ऑल एंटी मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड
यस
एंटी
यस दैट्स
मैनचेस्टर
माय
यूनाइटेड फैंस
नहीं
मोर देन एंटी मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड? So
या
that's because we've grown up around Manchester United fans. You've already cracked
यस
that
करेक्ट.
joke about them being trash, right? So
यस
वो that is a personal rivalry to us, right? So
यस
similarly
यस
Arsenal है.
हाँ
मैन सिटी से अनिर्बन कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. मैन सिटी फैंस आज के दिन इंडिया में वो है जो बच्चे बच्चे छोटे छोटे बच्चे हालैंड की पहने जर्सी पहने घूम रहे हैं. वो हमें
अरे बट
इंडिया
हाँ
बहुत
तेरी
अच्छा हो.
बेटी
मेरे
की
को
उम्र के है.
मैं समझ रहे हैं बट लाइक वो लाइक क्लॉप और पेप लाइक इंडिया पाकिस्तान लाइक यू आर लेटिंग क्लॉप डाउन by saying that it's okay if Manchester City wins. Come on, man.
तूने
तू
क्लॉप को
अपना
देखा है कभी पेप के सामने. तूने क्लॉप को देखा है कभी पेप के सामने. उसका नाम बाकी
please
था बस. बाकी सब कितना ऐसे मेरे दो अनमोल रतन. दे
हाँ
वर
हाँ
सो.
come on वो तो सारे कॉमिक्स भी एक दूसरे के बारे में अच्छा ही बोलते हैं बट ऐसा तो नहीं है कि
बट तूने क्लॉप को कभी देखा है क्या. टेनहाग को देखा है. टेनहाग के साथ ऐसा प्यार से मिलते हुए नहीं. हैंडशेक
अरे
करके चला जाता. पेप के साथ
नहीं
तो
यार
याद है वो दिन की तरह बात करते थे वो.
हाँ बट वो रिस्पेक्ट दिखाते थे बट क्लॉप का मतलब जाने का रीजन भी पेपी था यार वो 4 साल से ट्राई कर रहा था फिर इवेंचुअली बाय द वे जब वो क्लॉप बोला ना कि आई एम सो टायर्ड आई वांट टू क्विट
लॉस्ट
आई
एनर्जी. रनिंग आउट ऑफ
I
एनर्जी.
lost dude all people above 30 they give thumbs up everybody else is like how are you
कंप्लीटली.
yeah absolutely like all the 20-year-olds were like how can Klopp leave his anybody above 30 okay anybody who has been born before 1995 they were like we get you endorse on LinkedIn
और देख ना जॉब छोड़ा बराबर फिट हो गया. हॉबी आ गया. पैडल खेल रहे हैं. दुनिया घूम रहे हैं. चिल कर रहे हैं. इंस्टाग्राम में आ
हाँ
गया.
हाँ
लाइक गुड फॉर हिज मेंटल हेल्थ.
तू अभी बोल अगर क्लॉप को ऐसे ये कोई पूछा कि आर्सेनल जीतेगा या मैनचेस्टर जीतेगा सिटी जीतेगा तो वो क्या बोलेगा वो तो
नहीं
सिटी
अगर क्लॉप को बोलेगा कि आर्टेटा जीतना चाहिए कि पेप तो मेरे हिसाब से क्लॉप बोलेगा पेप.
कैसे इतना फैन बॉय हो रहा है ये लिवरपूल वाला
नहीं क्लॉप क्या बोलेगा. तेरे को क्या लगता है क्लॉप क्या बोलेगा.
क्लॉप
क्लॉप क्या
आर्टेटा
बोलेगा
बोलेगा
ना वो सवाल था. नहीं आर्टेटा का कोई नहीं आर्टेटा की तो कोई नहीं बोलता भाई. कोई नहीं बोलता. दोस्त लोग भी नहीं बोलते.
अरे वो पेप और आर्टेटा आर लाइक टू साइड्स ऑफ सेम कॉइन एंड आई लाइक द आर्टेटा साइड
हार्वी डेंट. बट ये
नहीं
क्या
बट
है. तुझे क्या
क्लॉप
लगता
ने
है आकाश.
क्लॉप
क्लॉप
ने
क्या
पेप
बोलेगा
को
पेप की आर्टेटा.
अरे डेफिनेटली पेप बोलेगा. पेप ने तो क्लॉप ने असिस्टेंट भी साइन करने दिया अभी. एंड पेप मेड अ कॉल टू क्लॉप टू हैव हिज परमिशन And Klopp was like, go for it, boy.
अरे पेप
हाँ,
वो
Doubt ही नहीं
doesn't
है.
mean it. अरे वो ठीक
पेप
है,
लिंडर्स जो था हमारा लिवरपूल असिस्टेंट
हाँ।
कोच था, वो पेप गार्डियोला ने लिया.
दो जन है, पेप पेप उनका ट्रेनिंग
अच्छा
ग्राउंड
ठीक
में
है,
दो पेप है.
ठीक है, मैं
हाँ.
आर्सेनल सिटी वाला समझ गया. हु डू यू वांट टू विन इफ नॉट लिवरपूल आउट ऑफ वन, इफ यू हैव टू पिक वन टीम? आर्सेनल, यूनाइटेड, सिटी, चेल्सी.
Arsenal.
मैनचेस्टर सिटी.
अरे what the hell, dude? Like what? How is this?
I would say
That's the
City
least.
over Arsenal for sure. Yes, exactly. ये समझ में नहीं आ रही. Thirds का least. It's almost like इनके साथ तो जीत ही नहीं सकते. ये तो क्या है? ये तो ऐसे ही है.
अरे
उनको हम लोग हम हराएंगे ना. ऐसा ग्रुप नहीं है. हम हराएंगे उनको. हम नहीं हराए तो कोई नहीं हराना.
ये बहुत
समझ ना यार.
मेरे को सरप्राइज आया ये सेकंड एपिसोड रिकॉर्ड करते समय. मैं सोचा कि मैं अपने दोस्त लोग के साथ ये बोल रहा मैनचेस्टर सिटी जीतेगा तो चलेगा. व्हाट डूड, वेरी बैड.
कौन सा
आर्सेनल
second
नहीं जीतना
episode?
चाहिए.
ये तो
अच्छा, आर्सेनल नहीं जीतना चाहिए. फर्स्ट एपिसोड, फर्स्ट एपिसोड डाल नहीं रहे हम लोग. तो ये है फर्स्ट एपिसोड.
हाँ, जो भी फर्स्ट एपिसोड ये भी नहीं है. अगर इधर भी मैनचेस्टर सिटी हो रहा है तो ठीक है यार. कम ऑन यार. Manchester City is antagonist of the football loving world. Manchester City is like wrong. That's
Okay.
all I have to say.
Given.
Yes.
Anirban given, but I hope Arsenal doesn't win. Can you give me
Okay,
that?
no, I
Newcastle
agree with
win,
that.
Chelsea win. Let Newcastle win, Chelsea win, Tottenham win.
Chelsea also I don't like because I have like little old trauma. But the thing with Arsenal is that they never look threatening. Never. Like वो पहले भी I didn't like really care. उसके बाद वो इतना सारा FA कप जीता है. It's okay. Let him harmless club. I don't know ये fans ये Twitter पे मेरे को I think कुछ तो हुआ है, but it's like whenever Arsenal fans का tweets आता है ना, my eyes only ignore it. वो पूरा वो मिला नहीं मेरे को. पर मैं दिख गया ना, कुछ भी स्काई ब्लू दिख गया. कभी कभी मेरे को लाइक गुस्सा होता है when it's a clear
अरे
summer
ऊपर
day.
देखते एकदम. ऊपर
This is my favorite season because the sky is the Liverpool away jersey.
चलो ठीक है भाई. चेल्सी उम्मीद करेंगे लिवरपूल नहीं जीते तो न्यूकासल.
देख, मैनचेस्टर सिटी अभी हम लोग के लिए ना ओल्ड टाइम मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड के बराबर है. सो वी कैन नॉट गिव देम एनी लाइक एम्पैथी, सिंपैथी, nothing. Okay, you have to like just please come on. Remember the 98, 97, 93, 92 years. Okay, this bunch of cheats. अरे तू बोल रहा है वो चीट है, जीतने क्यों दे रहा है यार? They should like even like yeah.
अरे चीटर तो राहुल भी था. This is why we are experts, football experts.
एक ऐसा मीम करते हैं जिसमें काजोल बोल रहा है पेप इज अ चीटर, पेप इज अ चीटर.
City is a cheater. City is a. Anirban has taken an executive decision for this group. City cannot win. Chalo, and as a
Yes.
spirit of the group, I'll give that.
Yes, and
But-
I would also like to go beyond this podcast into your personal lives, where I would request to not have any empathy for City. Come on, man, City. It's
Okay.
wrong. It's wrong. Yeah,
Okay,
it's
got
like
it.
supporting.
Okay.
It's supporting.
City or United? Who should win? If one of them, okay, this is a tough one. City or United? One of them can win. United wins, they go on top again with the number of league titles. Tell
Then
me.
City, then City. Only in one situation, but in every other situation, Tranmere Rovers
ठीक है.
over City.
Yeah, वो तो happily यार. Everyone cool है. I think we will all agree in the spirit of this podcast that City should not win. Okay, only
Yes.
because Anirban has taken an executive decision. And I think it's a safe thing. Don't worry, because Arsenal will never win anyway. So it's okay.
Cool.
Right. Some other updates from the rest of the Premier League. Son has left Tottenham in a very emotional way. I didn't even realize he's
Yeah.
been there for 10 years. For it's
10
been a
years,
decade,
yes.
and he's finally leaving after winning a trophy. He's finally leaving. Yeah. He's a complete legend.
I just saw
he-
he's going to LAFC, right? He's going to LAFC, right?
Yes, he's going to LAFC, the MLS.
Son was the most non-Liverpool player, I think. Itna pyara. I mean,
Love him.
and Klopp also loves Son, like he loved Pep also. Klopp really liked Son, but I don't know how true it is. I think अभी when he went to अभी LAFC LA गया ना, तो वहां पर एक तो अमेरिकन को कुछ फुटबॉल आता नहीं है, एंड मैंने कहीं तो पढ़ा कि उसका कोई इंटरव्यू हो रहा था, मतलब प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस ऐसा कुछ था कि वी वेरी हैप्पी दैट यू आर हियर एंड नाउ द वर्ल्ड कप इज आल्सो हैपनिंग हियर, सो वी वांट यू टू विन इट फॉर एलए. We want you to win it for you. I think she thought he'll be now playing World Cup also. Is what, but I don't know how true it is. I don't
Wow,
know, but
this interviewer could be next owner of Chelsea.
Akash, can you check? Is that true? What I said?
I think it happened with हुआ तो था, किसी से पूछा गया था, who did you name as the player?
Son.
नहीं, सॉन के
Oh
साथ
no,
एक बार पहले हुआ था.
LA politician suggests
हाँ.
Son could help USA win the World Cup. It's not an interviewer, a politician. She came like we're very happy. वो होता है ना कभी कभी सडनली किसी को भी बुला देते हैं, एक सेलिब्रिटी को, कि अरे यार तुम
हाँ,
ये
हाँ,
दुकान खोल रहे हो, तो रिबन काटता, उसको पता भी नहीं अंदर दुकान में क्या बेच रहे हैं, जेनेरिक सा कुछ बोल के जाता है कि नो आई होप आप अच्छा बिजनेस करो और ऐसा कुछ. तो इसने ऐसा कुछ बोल दिया कि यूएसए में वर्ल्ड कप हो रहा है, उसको पता है ये कोई प्लेयर आया, पता है, तो बोला तू जिता दे भाई, ऐसा कुछ.
Right, we'll conclude the part 1 of this podcast. Part 1 तो पूरा
What?
part बराबर चला है. Yeah.
Part 1 चल रहा था अभी तक.
Part 2 is where we are doing predictions for the Premier League season coming up, which is starting about a week from now. Once this podcast
Honest
is
predictions.
out. Guys, honest predictions. The top 6 guys. Anirban, you first.
टॉप 6 चाहिए.
Top
4
6,
कर लेते
okay.
हैं ना.
Top 6. 6 चाहिए,
Okay.
6. इतने क्लब तो आते हैं.
Arsenal, City in no order. Arsenal, City, Liverpool, Chelsea. ओए यार.
ए, एक मिनट, तो नो ऑर्डर बोल के तो लिवरपूल को पहले डालना, नो ऑर्डर में. आर्सेनल को क्यों पहले डालना? नो ही ऑर्डर में है ना.
नहीं,
वापस
order
ले
में
retake.
भाई.
ए बट ऑर्डर में चाहिए आकर्ष को.
आकाश को
हाँ,
ऑर्डर में
order में
चाहिए.
चाहिए.
आर्सेनल, लिवरपूल, मैनचेस्टर सिटी, चेल्सी और कौन था अभी जो लाइक 6 7th आया था? वेस्ट हैम यूनाइटेड एंड
6 from bottom था वो.
Aston Villa, one of those ones. sorry, Aston Villa.
That is true.
अरे 2 सीजन पहले तक तो अच्छा ही खेल रहा था उन लोग. And one more, who can it be? How is Wolves? Is it a respectable guess or not?
Well, however it is, it can come true, and then people will be like, Anirban was a genius.
Yes. Cool.
See, Nottingham Forest finished in top 6 last time.
Nottingham Forest, yes. One of those.
So who's the 6th?
Forest.
Okay, one of those. But I have to agree with Anirban. There is something like West Ham, Aston Villa feels same. Brighton, Brentford feels same. There's something about them. It feels like तुम एक ही हो, like ऐसा, है ना? ऐसा लगता है ना थोड़ा.
Yeah, that is true. A lot of people get confused between the two. वो नाम से
one of
दूसरा
those.
jerseys की वजह से.
नहीं,
feeling.
मतलब एक दो अच्छा प्लेयर, थोड़ा वो मैचेस इजी नहीं रहता उनके अगेंस्ट.
टफ अवे मैचेस. हाँ, ब्रेंटफोर्ड भी ऊपर मेरा थोड़ा वो है. अभी वो लंदन में मेरे एक दोस्त के यहाँ जाता हूँ और उसका स्टेडियम ओवरलुकिंग फ्लैट है, लाइक ब्रेंटफोर्ड, और उसका लाइक बेटा ब्रेंटफोर्ड फैन है. तो ऐसे लाइक आई हैव नेवर लिव्ड इन अ हाउस in front of a Premier League stadium. So I was like really fascinated by it.
मुझे सबसे ज्यादा कंफ्यूजन सनडरलैंड और साउथहैम्पटन में होता है because of the jerseys. दोनों में बहुत कंफ्यूजन रहता है. But anyway, Rahul, what's your top 6 prediction?
Okay.
You go from 6 to 1.
नहीं, from 6 to 1. नहीं, I'll go from 1 to 6. या तो फिर मैं भूल जाऊंगा. Liverpool, City, Arsenal, Chelsea, Newcastle, Tottenham.
Newcastle, the one who can't make a signing. Is this a Newcastle with
They
Isak
got
or
Elanga.
without Isak?
Either way. Mostly without Isak. Without Isak ही होगा बेचारा. But Elanga is a good signing, Baba. They started well.
What is yours?
Mine, I'm playing a very safe game.
Okay.
मेरे top 6 is the classic top 6. So it starts with Manchester City. Manchester City, Liverpool, Arsenal, Chelsea, Tottenham and Man United.
This is top 6 from 2009.
नहीं, उस time का
Man United.
मैं सेफ साइड पे रह रहा हूँ. अगर अभी बोल दिया मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड 12th, तो यहीं से रील निकाल के सब फेंकेंगे. Look where we are.
भूलना मत इस पॉडकास्ट का पर्पस. हम लोग का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में लिखा है.
If they finish above us, then this podcast ends.
Is over.
But Akash, don't worry. अगर ऐसा हो गया तो भी that's good for views only. Don't worry.
Moving on further to the one bold prediction for the season.
Okay. One bold prediction.
Okay, I'll go first. Ruben Amorim to be sacked by Christmas.
ये कैसा bold?
Rahul, this is italics.
Okay, ठीक है, this is not bold. Okay, then I will change it. Ruben Amorim not to be sacked by Christmas. That's my bold prediction. One bold prediction is this: is that the Golden Boot will be won by Gyökeres.
Nice, very good. My bold prediction
I
is
hope not. I hope not. I hope I fall on my face flat and he doesn't. But I hope, yeah. I think वो Golden Boot जीतेगा, but वो लोग कुछ जीतेंगे नहीं. That's fine.
Okay. My bold prediction for the season, I have two. One is that Manchester City will finally be convicted of some crimes. That's why it's bold. And second, my bold prediction is Jeremy Frimpong, more assists than Trent Alexander-Arnold last year.
Ooh. My
Interesting.
bold prediction is that ifs and buts है इसमें. If Kai Havertz gets games, he will score more than Victor Gyökeres.
यार मेरे को चेंज करना है मेरा प्रेडिक्शन. मुझे चेंज करना है. May I change it? May I change it?
I feel he's going to score more when the spotlight is not on him and he's not under pressure. He's going to score more goals. अब देखना पड़ेगा Gyökeres कैसा है. By the way, Arsenal lost last night to Villarreal in a friendly. तो काफी थोड़ा Arsenal fan TV पे थोड़ा meltdown हो गया. And it was generally Gyökeres was making his runs behind, but Arsenal अपना sideways passing कर रहा था because also fed up a little of the robotic passing that goes on in Arsenal, right? So Gyökeres का देखना उनकी पहली sighting थी ढंग की. I know it's a friendly, but that doesn't stop AFTV from any meltdowns or any overreactions. What if Arsenal lose their first game at Old Trafford? भाई साहब मजा आ जाएगा.
You know what? That fixture is the best possible fixture for an opening week because there is only victory. You only win as a Liverpool fan, irrespective of any result. You just win. It is
Liverpool.
If United
Liverpool
win,
का किसके साथ है?
Brentford. Bournemouth. Hey, where did Kelleher go? Brentford or Bournemouth? Which one?
Brentford.
Kelleher किधर गया?
Brentford चला गया. हम बोले है ना.
But yeah, that United. What's your prediction for the first United Arsenal?
I think it'll be a United win or a draw.
No, pick one.
I think it'll be a draw.
I'm going for United 2-1. 2-1 to United.
Wow.
ये तो Arsenal supporter है ये तो.
अगर तू United को बोल रहा है कि लोग opening match जीतेगा, then that's 15% of their points tally from last year.
Okay, I'm going to by the way, मेरा bold prediction मैं change कर रहा हूँ. Gyökeres is not going to be the top scorer. My bold prediction is that Mohamed Salah will break his own record of goals plus assists.
What, really?
That's my because I it's just a feeling. But did you see him play in the last game? He was so good. It's almost like with Florian Wirtz and Szoboszlai in the deeper role. Frimpong running like crazy. It's unleashing one more level. So that's my don't put the Gyökeres one. This is the one you have to put.
That wraps up our Premier League predictions part. Let's move to a short and quick part and an amusing update on Indian football, right? Did you guys know that Xavi applied for the role and the timeline around that?
Yeah. Xavi from Vellore Institute of Technology.
This is does Xavi know what Xavi is like? Even after retirement, he is giving dummy.
No, but I was very surprised that after his managerial career, Xavi decided to do engineering in third years directly. That must have been a tough call from Vellore. So Xavi wants to be Xavi coach at gmail.com. ऐसा कुछ तो था यार. ये लोग मान भी गए. माना सिर्फ नहीं. He was rejected
because it was assumed that he would be outside our budget. But interestingly, Fabrizio Romano had to come out and debunk it. He actually tweeted that there has been no interaction between Xavi and the Indian national team of the All India Football Federation. He had to come out and say, "Bhai, nahi hai," because we all went mad. I don't know what's worse, the fact that the AIFF assumed that Xavi is applying for the Indian role, or the fans were outraged कि हमारे पास पैसा नहीं है and we couldn't hire him as a coach. Why Xavi आके करेगा क्या national team में? There was full outrage earlier. The timelines are such that the news article came out. The news article came out that Xavi applied for the role, but we do not have the budget for him, for coaches like him. There was complete outrage. People were like, this is the state of Indian football. Xavi wants to coach us and we can't take it. We can't take him into the role. But by Xavi's football is not suited for India at all. Please, guys, please, can we maintain the fact that we have no grassroots football? We can barely make 4 passes in a match. Unfortunately, this is very true, and this is coming from a person who's watched Indian football for a decade, who's watched India's recent matches, who's attended 3 Indian national team matches and come out with 0 goals scored by India. So I've seen that
Oh
in
my
flesh
God.
as well. It is a horrific experience right now. And they
I
expect
think
Xavi to. This is the problem with the understanding of football in India, that they expect Xavi to come and change over the entire. मतलब वो उतने वही वाले players हैं, पर उसको suddenly वो फांसी सिखा देगा उनको 27 साल 30 साल बाद. हाँ
एक
जी.
सवाल है, but how did it come out that Javi has applied and like we ourselves said that out,
Yes,
like the federation?
All India Football Federation. Yes, the federation brought it out.
I guys, I feel that the only way somebody of the stature of Xavi will come and manage Indian football team is like if he is like dating an Indian woman whose grandmother in Varanasi has passed away. So now they have to come and to do the funeral and all. And then he has that girlfriend is like, I don't want to go back to Europe. I want to stay here. And then they might be like, ठीक है इधर क्या काम है? इधर कोई job वॉब है क्या? मिल सकता है क्या? That's the only reason. We have to honey trap, a European football manager. That's the only way they will manage Indian team.
Or if Javi is really interested in electronic engineering. Electronics engineering का passion है.
हो सकता है.
2 options. Well, his loss.
His loss. This was one update. The other funny update was that Inter Kashi. Yes, there's a club by the name of Inter Kashi. Won the
Yes.
I League, which is the second division of India, about 4 months after the league had finished, and they won it in a court. So ये भी हुआ. Basically the timelines were they played Namdhari FC. Namdhari FC beat Inter Kashi, but Namdhari FC had fielded an ineligible player. So Inter Kashi were awarded a 3-0 win by the AIFF. Then AIFF's own appeals committee reversed that decision and said Namdhari FC would win. So which meant Inter Kashi lost the title against Churchill Brothers by 1 point. So Churchill Brothers ne pura celebrate kiya in Goa ki we are the champions, we deserve this, we were always telling you. Then they went to the court of arbitration for sport CS. और वहां पे उन्होंने और रिवर्स कर दिया decision, which meant Inter Kashi are now officially the champions with 42 points on board, while Churchill Brothers has 40. तो 5 महीने बाद डिसाइड हुआ आई लीग का चैंपियन अलग है. इमेजिन लिवरपूल का लीग डिसीजन रिवर्स हो गया 5 months later into the next season. This is almost a boon कि Indian football का next season इतनी देर बाद शुरू होता है, वरना previous champions were probably declared during the next season. So this was another funny update from the world of Indian football.
मतलब वो लोग फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे और फेडरेशन और कोर्ट ऊनो खेल रहे थे रिवर्स. फिर वो रिवर्स पे रिवर्स लास्ट में इंटर काशी ने ऊनो बोल दिया और जीत गया.
Akash, do you have any positive news from Indian football?
Oh, I have very positive news from Indian football. Surprisingly,
Please.
The women's team qualified for the Asian Cup on merit for the first time ever. It's a big deal. We beat Thailand 2-1 in Thailand in a virtual knockout game. Basically, both teams won the same. Yes, in Thailand, and Thailand is a team that played the 2015 and 2019 Women's World Cup, right? So they are a very well accomplished team in recent times. And we went to Thailand and beat them 2-1 in a virtual knockout game. In the group, both teams had won all of their matches, and they were also on the same goal difference. So actually, अगर draw होता match, तो penalties पे जाता rather than goal difference and goals scored, etc. And until 2003, this event, the Women's Asian Cup, was essentially an invitational event. तब India qualify कर जाती थी because it was by invite basically.
Diplomacy.
Right? उसके बाद से diplomacy, right? But after 2003, you had to basically qualify for it, and obviously we failed repeatedly. In 2022, Women's Asia Cup was in India, and we qualified as hosts, and we were geared up to play against other big countries in front of our own fans. But unfortunately, during a COVID outbreak and a disciplinary issue, essentially, we didn't maintain a good COVID bubble. And just days prior to the event, we had a COVID outbreak, and we had to withdraw from our own tournament. So
Oh no.
this is a big deal. This is a big deal in the
Uh-huh.
Women's Asia Cup in 2026. In 2026 is in Australia. We have a tough group. We have Japan, Vietnam, and Chinese Taipei, which is Taiwan. It's unlikely that we are going to get out of the group, but top 6 make it to the World Cup. So we are actually closer to the World Cup on the women's side than we'll ever be on the men's side during our lifetimes. And this is one of the reasons.
Wow.
This is one of the reasons which was quoted a while back, a few months back, or a few years back, or not few months back, few years back, that invest in the women's game because the women's game is more likely to get to the World Cup than the men's game,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Because we're in a better
clearly.
position, relatively speaking.
And the fact that
Dude,
they're
I think
they've come closer. So it is like,
we also
it absolutely
qualify for
makes
the
sense, right?
I think
Yes.
we also qualify for the homeless World Cup. I think we should invest in that also over the men's team, or we should just take away their houses. The
Qualify,
men's team.
we won the homeless World Cup. We won the homeless World Cup in, I think,
Whoa,
2010 or 11.
that's incredible!
Let me look it up.
Wow.
So 2026 में है अभी है वो.
2026 in Australia. Very
ये
chakde
बहुत मजा
story.
आएगा. कौन है अपना कोच, कुछ पता है?
So our head coach is Crispin Chetri, who is a well-renowned coach here in India. So
Amazing.
women's game, he's been a long part of the women's game. He's very invested. One last update from Indian football. Minerva Academy won a Norway Cup during the Euro tour. And I don't know if you guys know Ranjit Bajaj. I've known him personally. The fun guy. He's one of those guys who stands up for Indian football against all these authorities, right? The guys celebrated the winning the Norway Cup. And you know what the score lines were? They beat the first team 14-1. Then they beat another team 25-0. Then they beat another team
Wow.
22-0. Then they beat 11-0. And they beat, in the semifinals, they won 18-1. And in the finals, no, in the semifinal, they won 8-2. And even in the final, there was a huge margin. I think the final was 14-1. So,
What?
क्या क्या वहां तक गया,
So
फिर
I don't know
बैडमिंटन
what-
खेला गया.
So you
Nice, but good positive news.
Right, guys, welcome to part 4. This is the quiz part. This is the fun part where Anirban and Rahul battle for the balloon d'or. Jo jeeta wo hawa mein, right? Today's quiz, since we're in the transfer market, today's quiz is around the Premier League transfer record, right?
Okay.
Once again, you go one by one. Starting this time with Anirban. Again, you have 1 point for the right answer and 0.5 after you take a hint. Since 1992, you have to name players. You have to keep naming players who have broken the British transfer record while transferring.
Okay.
This is the incoming transfers. So the British clubs have signed them rather than let them out. For example, Ronaldo doesn't qualify the 80 million bid because he went out of Manchester United.
Okay.
He was signed by Real Madrid rather than Manchester United there. Right?
Okay.
Let's start.
All right. Florian Wirtz.
नहीं है.
नहीं?
So,
वो नहीं है?
only the initial fee counts against the British transfer record and all that. वो add-ons नहीं counted. The add-ons come later. So Wirtz is at 100 million. So he's not in the transfer record.
What, really? Oh, okay. ठीक है.
Yes. So now Rahul, you go.
Caicedo
भी नहीं है उसमें.
अरे ये कैसा लिस्ट मिला है तेरे को? ये झाबी ने भेजा है क्या वेलोर से?
Velour Dior.
So okay, so ये initial fee transfer record कर लेते हैं इसको. हाँ.
ठीक है.
If you read all the articles, right, on Wirtz and all, this could ऐसा होता है कि 100 million fee upfront, which could add up to 116 million and become a British transfer record. हाँ.
Let's see.
क्या हो गया रे?
Anirban, you go.
मैं थोड़ा ब्लैंक आउट हो गया.
Hint भी मांग सकते हो.
नहीं, hint नहीं लेगा.
Hint भी कर सकते हो.
इतना जल्दी क्यों है?
हाँ, अभी नहीं करते हैं. कुछ पुराना कुछ करते हैं. पुराना प्लेयर्स
पुराने बड़े स्ट्राइकर सोचो.
स्ट्राइकर्स, डिफेंडर्स भी हो सकते हैं ना इसमें.
अभी कुछ बोल मत. अभी हम लोग एक दो याद है. हिंट मत दे.
क्या? अभी मेरा है.
हाँ.
अरे एक सेकंड. यार ऐसा ब्लैंक आउट तो लाइफ में नहीं हुआ है. नहीं हुआ था एक बार MBA इंटरव्यू में हुआ था. बट और मैं सोच रहा हूँ मैं जस्ट रैंडम एक प्लेयर बोल रहा हूँ. रियो फर्डिनेंड.
Perfect.
ओह,
Rio Ferdinand
Wow.
went from Leeds to Manchester United.
okay, I got one. Let's go.
And
Wow.
do you guys know Rio Ferdinand broke the transfer record twice? He went from West Ham to Leeds for 18
West
million
Ham to
pounds,
Leeds. हाँ.
and then from Leeds to Manchester United for 30
हाँ,
million. वो भी
तो
record
मेरे
ही
को
था.
2 पॉइंट मिलेगा. मेरे को 2 पॉइंट
नहीं
मिलेगा.
नहीं मैं
नहीं,
वापस
एक
रियो
ही
फर्डिनेंड
point
बोलेगा.
मिलेगा.
अरे अच्छा ठीक है.
ओके.
ठीक है.
चलो राहुल, you next.
एंजो फर्नांडिस.
Perfect. Enzo Fernandez went from Benfica to Chelsea for 107 million pounds, and he is actually right now, as things stand, the British transfer record. When he won the World
टूटने
Cup, and
वाला
then
है.
Chelsea signed him.
टूटने वाला है.
टूटने वाला
वो.
टूटने वाला है.
ओके.
ईसा क्या
और is
1
it
point each.
Wayne Rooney?
Wayne Rooney. No, not Wayne Rooney, unfortunately. Even I would have thought Wayne Rooney होगा.
Is it Veron?
Nice.
Oh, very nice. It is Veron. He came from Lazio to Manchester United and flopped.
Great answer.
2-1.
Man. Van Dijk?
नहीं भाई, Van Dijk तो सिर्फ 75 million था.
Oh, ठीक है. अरे एक और नाम
Rahul,
आया
you
तो
next.
भूल ही गया मैं. हाँ आया एक और आया.
एक अभी मेरा चांस है ना. ओके. Alan Shearer.
Perfect. Alan Shearer has also broken the record twice. Once from Southampton to Blackburn in 1992, and then 1996 Blackburn to Newcastle.
यार
It's a 3-1 Rahul, right?
मैं तो भूल ही गया सब कुछ. समझ ही नहीं आ रहा. हाँ 3-1.
अरे तो hint
नहीं
hint लेना भाई, hint.
नहीं हिंट लेगा तो और हारेगा ना. रुकना अभी. मैं सोच रहा हूँ कौन है.
0.5 is
Robinho.
less than 0. Oh wow,
Robinho.
Robinho, yes. In 2008,
Oh.
Robinho.
अरे यार मैं भी रॉबिन
converted to Man City.
Yeah.
32.5 million pounds. That was back in 2008.
राहुल माइनस कर माइनस. लिटरली
3-2.
मैं हिंट मांग रहा हूँ. हिंट.
ए कमान
Hint.
अभी तू लीड में होके हिंट नहीं मांग सकता. जो उससे नीचे है वो मांग सकता है. हाँ, come
अच्छा
on.
ऐसा है क्या?
A
rule है?
very
हाँ.
दे रहे हो
अरे
hint
हिंट मत दे
मेरे
हिंट
को.
मत दे. अरे क्लोज फिर निकल जाएगा पूरा क्लोज करने के लिए.
ठीक है मत दे हिंट मत दे. थोड़ा और दे.
हाँ.
मैं कुछ
हाँ,
बोल ही
लग
नहीं
जाते हैं.
पाया.
अरे अभी तू बोल.
नहीं छोड़ो. मुझे बस दो अभी 1 मिनट दो. सोचने दो मुझे.
मस्त क्वेश्चन लेके आया. याद ही नहीं आ रहा. ऐसे कितना नाम है टोटल?
15.
15. ओके.
15 में से हम लोग ने 5 बोल दिया. 10 बक्से हैं.
हाँ,
मेरे को एक नाम आया.
एंडी कोल.
Oh, very nice. Andy Cole went from Newcastle to Manchester United for 7 million in 1995. 4-1 हो गया भाई.
7 million. 4-2 है.
4-2 है, sorry. Crashing. यार मेरी scoring इतनी poor क्यों है हमेशा?
How
time to write.
about Paul Pogba?
Oh yes,
Yeah.
Paul Pogba went from Juventus to
Well
Manchester
done,
United in 2016 for 89 million pounds.
कि यूनाइटेड ही
Perfect.
सोचना चाहिए. वो ही लोग ऐसा खर्च
हाँ,
करते थे बहुत.
उन लोग
United.
हर साल सिर्फ यूनाइटेड ही करते हैं. हाँ, वही सोचना है.
Rahul, you go.
एरिक कैंटोना.
नहीं. Good guess, but Eric Cantona is not in the list.
नाइस आंसर. ओके. लिवरपूल का कोई भी नहीं है क्या? लिवरपूल का कोई.
ए क्या
है
है ये तो. हिंट दे मुझे.
ओके.
हाँ, ये तो hint है. ये तो
ए
hint है.
लिवरपूल का कौन हो सकता है? चेल्सी. हाँ ये शेफचेंको.
Yes.
Ooh,
Andriy
for
Shevchenko when he moved from AC Milan to Chelsea for 30.6 million pounds.
ओवरऑल है. ठीक है.
overall है.
हाँ, 4 all है. एक इतना obvious कैसे ना तुम दोनों अपना सर फोड़ दोगे.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
मेरा चांस है ना. जैक ग्रिलिश.
अरे यार मैं यही सोच रहा था अभी.
Jack Grealish, yes. Jack Grealish, 100 million pounds. Aston Villa to Manchester City in 2021 was a British record transfer. अब लिस्ट में कम लोग बचे हैं.
अब
अभी
5-4
कितना
है.
जन बच गया? 5-4 है, मतलब कितना 6 जन बाकी है?
थोड़े बाकी हैं।
थोड़े से है रे।
हम्म,
ओके ओके,
4 बाकी हैं एक्चुअली,
4
क्योंकि
बाकी है।
उसमें रिपीट्स भी थे ना, रिपीट्स भी थे। हाँ,
हाँ
आई
ओके
एम वेरी सरप्राइज
ओके।
उनमें से किसी ने हिंट नहीं लिया अभी तक। क्वाइट
हाँ
क्वाइट
रुकना
एन
रुकना,
एक्सेप्शनल गेम।
ले 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 रे, ले ले एक ले ले।
अरे फिर तो हार जाएगा मैं। एक और चाहिए आंसर। एक सेकेंड। 30 मिलियन में चल रहा था उस टाइम पे, फिर 40 मिलियन, 50 मिलियन, 60 मिलियन, 70 मिलियन। बड़ा स्ट्राइकर और कौन है? लिवरपूल है कि किसी को खरीदा है क्या? ओ ओ ओ, इज इट एंडी कैरल?
नो, एंडी कैरल इज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ दैट लिस्ट।
ओके फाइन।
राहुल, योर टर्न।
हिंट।
हिंट?
नहीं ले सकता हिंट,
अरे अब तो
वो सिर्फ नहीं, जो नीचे है
राहुल,
वही ले सकता है।
राहुल, सिंपल हिंट, जूडस। जूडस।
ओके, इज इट माइकल ओवन?
नो, नॉट
माइकल ओवन? Oh wait,
Not
I know one Judas.
Anirban Stas.
Yeah, even I know one Judas. I know one more Judas.
Is it like Judas, like Judas?
Yeah.
But
What is that even?
was it not?
Oh, I know, I know.
Oh, Robin van Persie.
No. Can I go?
Rahul, your turn. Yeah, Rahul.
Is Steve McManaman?
No.
नहीं, not Steve McManaman.
अरे वो तो आया नहीं, वो गया।
Sol Campbell.
सोल नहीं, सोल कैम्बल भी नहीं है।
क्या चल रहा है? और
Okay.
कौन है Judas?
अरे
No, wait, don't say.
थोड़ा पर्सनल जूडस यार, पर्सनल जूडस। हाँ,
Yes, I can I go?
मेरा चांस है। Is it
हाँ, राहुल का चांस।
Fernando Torres?
Oh shit!
Yes,
How did
it's
you miss
Fernando
this?
Torres. He went from Liverpool to Chelsea for 50 million pounds.
50 million.
British transfer record at the time.
उसी के बाद तो
50.
ये आया, कैरल आया ना, 35 में आया कैरल।
Oh shit! What a
अरे नहीं भाई,
miss.
50 था वो। हाँ।
तो 5.5 ना,
0.25 मिलना चाहिए, क्योंकि 4 बार गेस के
हाँ।
बाद वो आंसर दिया। I think
0.5 मिला,
इसको
राहुल को 0.5 मिला। कितना हुआ?
हाँ।
नहीं, 5.5 and 4, right?
हाँ।
एक 2-3 और बचे हैं।
अरे भाई हिंट कर लेते हैं।
नहीं
कोई बात
हिंट करेगा तो फिर अरे तू ईयर बता दे।
ये तो फिर हिंट है,
नहीं फिर दोनों अलाउड है, तू भी अलाउड है, मैं भी अलाउड है, जो भी जल्दी बोलेगा।
अरे ये तो रूल्स चेंज हो रहे हैं गेम के बीच में। ये क्या है? मैन सिटी के साथ खेल रहा है। ये क्या है इतना ज्यादा?
जस्ट पेइंग ट्रिब्यूट टू पेप
मास्टर। मास्टर बिल्ड।
Anirban, do you want a hint?
wait
Take a hint. There is no shame.
okay,
Take a
take a
hint.
hint.
Manchester United midfielder in 1993.
What? Roy Keane.
Perfect.
हिंट दे दो भाई,
हिंट दे दूं? Inter Milan to Arsenal in 1995.
Oh yes,
इंटर
please.
मिलान टू आर्सेनल इन 95।
कोई भी बोल सकता है ये।
वियरा।
Oh
नहीं, not Vieira. Anirban, you
What?
want to go?
yes, I want to go. Inter Milan
टू आर्सेनल
To?
95। आर्सेनल
Inter Milan to Arsenal 95. Are you sure 95 or not? 9. Oh, okay.
95.
Henry.
नो, मोनाको से आया वो तो। ओके, नाउ
हाँ?
माय चांस।
Yes.
नो,
Oh, I want. Okay, I'll also take one guess.
इज इट पिरेस?
No, it's not Perez.
Is it?
एक और
हाँ बोल, क्या बोल रहा है?
नहीं, अभी नहीं हिंट दे सकते। अरे ऐसा
नहीं दे रहा,
okay.
नहीं दे रहा।
हाँ ठीक है। Is it Mark Overmars?
No, it's not Mark Overmars. अब मैं क्विक फायर हिंट दे रहा हूँ।
हाँ, कोई भी बोल
ठीक है।
सकता है आंसर.
Second striker for Arsenal.
अनेलका.
Wiltord. Oh.
ओ विल्टोर्ड दोनों
Oh,
नहीं
no,
गलत है.
no. दोनों गलत है.
Bergkamp.
Yes, Bergkamp.
Okay, half a hint, half a point का difference है अभी.
ये
5 to 5.5
कैसा
वाला.
इसमें क्या तो अरे तो रूल क्या चेंज कर रहे हैं बीच में सडनली एकदम.
नहीं
Last 3-4 questions quick fire हो गए.
लास्ट गेम में तो ऐसा हुआ मैं जीत रहा था तो चेंज कर दिया रूल.
अब quick fire. चलो quick
चलो
fire.
चलो.
ठीक है.
Quick fire के लिए
The famous
निर्बान फास्ट.
the famous Liverpool 4 Newcastle 3 games.
Stan Collymore.
No. Ashraven.
Yeah.
Oh.
Arsenal थोड़ी ना Newcastle था वो.
तो क्या Collymore की नहीं?
हाँ, Stan Collymore है.
ओह वाओ, इक्वल हो गया राहुल वापस.
ठीक है.
अभी कोई भी बोल सकता है ना अभी.
हाँ
कोई बोल सकता है.
कोई बोल सकता.
A Manchester United striker in 2001.
Van
वो तो
Nistelrooy.
नहीं चुका है. Yes, Van Nistelrooy.
Oh,
ये हुआ
नहीं,
नहीं था ना पहले.
नहीं. Van Nistelrooy रिकॉर्ड से नहीं था. वाओ.
यार ये ना मैं कोई भी क्लू दूंगा तो आएगा नहीं. तो
नहीं पता ना.
year 1994 Norwich to Blackburn.
Chris Sutton.
Oh my God.
मैं सोच ही रहा था सटिन, लेकिन फिर वो शेरर था तो इसमें मैं कंफ्यूज हो गया था कि शायद वो नहीं था, बट मेरे दिमाग में था कि कभी तो हुआ.
Wow. Well played, Anirban. Well played.
Well played. Well, the rules were bent, but you still deserve, like Pep Guardiola's Manchester City. You still deserve. You still.
Anirban is our first winner of the Balloon d'Or.
अरे वो जो फ्रेंडली मैच खेला था बलून डॉर का उसमें
वो ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड है.
अरे उसका रील करते हैं.
हाँ वो तो करेंगे. वो प्री सीजन है. वो आ जाएगा. रील में तो आ जाएगा.
हाँ
रील में तो आ जाएगा. Well done.
That was fun.
Akash, it was too much fun.
Right,
Akash,
with
I have
that,
one question
we've
for
come
you.
to the... Yeah, tell me.
What is the highest Indian transfer record?
Indian transfer record.
Hardik Pandya.
Indian transfer record. I don't know यार, कोई गोल था, कोई बच्चा होगा कोई.
Okay.
कौन है? I have no idea.
Do you know?
No, I
Who is it?
also don't know. I asked Akash थी क्या? Why will I know?
ये कुछ भी ये तो क्या है? Indian football transfer record.
हमारे our producer has just entered the chat and said Anwar Ali.
Yes. Oh.
No,
वो तो टेनिस.
Not the senior, not the slow senior Anwar Ali. The young energetic.
but I must say Google Gemini differs. Google Gemini says it is Jackson Singh, 3.3 crore
Singh.
from Kerala Blasters to East Bengal.
जेमिनाई वगैरह अपडेटेड नहीं है उनका, थोड़ा डेटाबेस आई थिंक पीछे का होता है. पता नहीं
कभी हुआ
कोई नहीं, केस लेंगे.
ये जो बोल रहे हैं कभी हुआ.
केस लेंगे फिर. अनवर अली का तो पिछले 2 साल में हुआ होगा.
तो ये भी 2024 की बात कर रहे हैं.
ओह,
जैक्सन सिंह इज 3.3 crore.
अनवर अली का भी 2024 में हुआ है.
Anwar Ali is 2.5 crore. Delhi to East Bengal. Akash Mishra is 3 crore. Hyderabad to Mumbai, and Anirudh Thapa is 3 crore. Chennai to Mohan Bagan, and Jackson Singh is Kerala Blasters to East Bengal. 3.3.
I would have guessed Anirudh Thapa. गेस कर सकता था मैं, पर मुझे पता था कि उसके बाद और पैसा फेंका गया है यंगस्टर्स पे. Okay. Right, with that we've come to the end of the episode. Thank you for listening or watching wherever you are. I hope you enjoyed the episode. If you have any feedback, please write to us on Instagram or on our email IDs, which you can see below. Thank you so much.